to the tutorial on Excel Solver. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the function SUMIF. This function will be of extreme importance to solve the shortest path problem. So grab a mug of coffee and let us get started. Consider the network you see on your screen. We are trying to find the total distance of a certain path of this network. The table lists each one of the arcs in columns B and C and displays their distances in column E. If an arc is in the path, then you see the word true in column D, and if not, you see the word false. Let's highlight the path in yellow. First, we have arc OA with a distance of 7, then arc AD with a distance of 4, followed by arc DF with a distance of 4. Summing them up, we have a total distance of 15. Of course, there are many ways to find the sum of the path's total distance. For example, on cell F3, you can type equal, if cell D3 is true, return the distance. Otherwise, return 0. Then you can drag the formula down and type equal sum F3 up to F18. This procedure is time-consuming, especially when you have large problems with nested conditions. Let's solve the same problem using SUMIF. Go to cell E19 and type equal SUMIF and select the column with the information that you want to compare. For example, in our case, the column of true or false is in gray and is D3 up to D18. The second argument is the criteria we are looking for. In our case, we are searching cells with the value true in the column we are comparing. Finally, the third argument is the corresponding values that we will sum, which are the distances. So include cells E3 up to E18. Then, close parentheses and press Enter. Voila! We got 15 using only one formula in one cell. I hope this tutorial clarified how you can use the function SUMIF. Stay tuned to our upcoming tutorials.